I've been to quite a few exhibitions over the past 5 years to give you my top tips, some help, some advice that might help you when you're attending your next exhibition. So, here we go. What up everyone, it's Ray here from Simply Create. Okay, we're gonna start with this one and it is a must. Plan your time. Head to the website, have a look at the running order, what's going on, download the app, or maybe they send you a magazine of the schedule through the post. Go through it, look at who you want to speak to, who you want to see, what seminars you want to go to, and plan your day. If you don't, you'll just end up walking around aimlessly, only catching the end of seminars and picking up loads of leaflets. So this next one, it's not about the free stuff. I know, we all love the free stuff. The free stuff's great, but don't go to the event and the exhibition just for that. I mean, think about it. When you were last at an exhibition or an event, when did you go back and purchase the full product because of that one thing that the event gave you for free? I mean, it does happen, but it's very, very rare. I mean, I am really interested in one thing, so please leave this in the comments. When was the last time you went to an exhibition or event and you got something that you genuinely thought was great? I'd love to know what that is. Do you still use it? Where did you get it? What was it? But what I'm saying is it's more likely that you're going to end up with an environmentally friendly bag full of leaflets, maybe pens, and if you're lucky, a stress ball, which is all great, but don't just go for the event for that. Okay, this next one probably sounds obvious, but actually can be a little bit tricky because it does take some time to get used to, some confidence, and that's go and speak to people. That's why you're there. Once you've planned your day and scheduled your day, go to those seminars and speak to the people after their seminars. Go to the different stands and speak to those people. Look for your competitors and go and speak to them. Ask questions that are relevant to you, your business, your product, your idea, your project. Start to build a relationship. It will become important for one of the later points. This next one is a massive one for me and Simply Create, and that's go to get some ideas. When you're walking around, be observant. Look at the exhibitions, take in designs and colours and marketing. What's good? What are people doing that's enticing you to go and speak to them or to look around their stand? Take some of those ideas and see what you might be able to implement in your own business, project or idea. But also have a look around for things that you don't like so much, that haven't quite worked, that people haven't executed on, because it can steer you away from things not to do, which is always just as handy. I always find that if nothing else throughout the day, that's the thing that helps me the most. I always leave an exhibition or one of these type of events with more ideas than I went in with. This last one, and coming from Simply Create, is pretty obvious, but get on social media. Get on social media before the event, look up the hashtags, do a bit of research, see who's going, and start to tell people that you're going, maybe follow a few people. Then when you're at the event, share your experience, what it's been like. You're also showing people that might be interested in the event that aren't there, what it's been like for you. And finally, and this one's important, do the follow-up on social media. It was great to meet you, tweet, retweet, share your knowledge and experience, hints and tips, a little bit like this video. And remember, if you had a conversation with someone you really started to connect, make sure you connect with them after and do the follow-up on social media. Anyway, based on my experiences, these are just a few hints and tips that I hope have really helped. If you have liked it and they have helped you or will help you in the future, just don't forget to give it a little like tappy, or follow, subscribe. But most importantly, don't forget to leave a comment. Let me know what events you're attending, if you agree, if you've got any tips to add. So until next time, we outie. Didn't work, but worth a try, right? Should I do another one about business cards? I mean, they're not a necessity and they're a cost, and I want it to be free, so we say no. What is in here? Ooh, nice book. For we. Pretty decent.